Welcome class 9 students. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is quadrilaterals. इससे पहले कि हम एक्सरसाइज पर जाएंगे, let me remind you some pointers about the quadrilaterals. जैसे कि आपको पता है कि any four-sided figure, say a rectangle, a square, a rhombus, these are called quadrilaterals. तो इन quadrilaterals के बारे में आपको पता है, sum of angles of quadrilateral is 360. You must remember this. A diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two triangles of equal area. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal, opposite sides are equal, diagonals bisect each other. For example, let us take an example of a parallelogram. Say ABCD is a parallelogram. Say ABCD is a parallelogram. Because it is opposite sides are equal, this means side AB is equal to DC, and इस तरह side AD is equal to BC. The quadrilateral is a parallelogram with opposite sides equal. Also, it is opposite angles. Say angle A is equal to angle B. Angle A is equal to angle A is equal to angle C. Sorry, opposite angles are equal. Angle D is equal to angle B. These two angles are equal. इस तरह, if AC is parallel diagonal, if AC is diagonal, then triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADC, because the diagonal divides the parallelogram into two triangles equal area of equal area. ये जो फैक्ट्स है आपको याद रखने हैं. इस तरह diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other. If we have a rectangle, say if ABCD is a rectangle, it is a rectangle here. आप अपनी स्केल से डालना. Say it is rectangle. P, Q, R, and S. It is rectangle, opposite angles are equal, all angles are equal, opposite sides are equal. If we draw two diagonals, say P, R, and S, Q, the diagonals bisect each other at O. In a rectangle, diagonals bisect each other means OP is equal to OR, OS is equal to OQ. These diagonals bisect each other. Always say that OP is equal to OS. So on. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals of a rhombus bisect at right angles. If we have a rhombus, see all consecutive sides equal. The difference between square and rhombus is only that in a square all angles are equal, but in rhombus opposite angles are equal. A rhombus is square but with opposite angles equal. This angle is equal to this. And I would also like to draw a square here with all sides equal. So it is a square. So it is PQRS is a rhombus, and a PQRS is square. Its all angles are equal, but its opposite angles are equal. The diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Means यहाँ जो है ये right angle बनता है 90 degree, but the in square diagonals bisect each other. So इसमें ये आप याद रखेंगे ये facts. Today our question is here, exercise number 8.1. आप जो कोऑर्डिनेटर्स के बारे में जो एग्जांपल्स हैं वो आप अपनी बुक से भी देखेंगे और पिछले क्लास में भी आपने पढ़ा है. The question is the lengths of quadrilateral or the angles of. It is question number 1, exercise 8.1. The angles of quadrilateral or in the ratio it is 3:5:9:13. The ratio of the angles. Say find all angles. हमें angles निकालने हैं. We know that अभी आपको मैंने बताया sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Then we have, if it is 3x, angle A is 3x. Let us draw here. Let angle A is equal to 3x, angle B is 5x, and angle C is 9x. Similarly, angle D 13x. Then we have 3x, 5x, 9x plus 13x is equal to 360. And इनको ऐड करना है. It is, let us add these. इनको ऐड करके मिलता है 13x. So it is 30x is equal to 360. जब इनको हम ऐड करेंगे we will get 30x is equal to 360. X is equal to 360 by 30. That is 12 degree. X is 12. The value of x is 12. Now we have angles. अब आप देखना angle A is 3x, then it is 3 into 12. It is, the angle A is 36 degree. Angle B is 5 into x, it is 5 into 12, means 60 degree. And angle C is 9 into x, it is 9 into 12, it is 108x, 108 degree. And angle D is 13x, so it is 13 into 12. तो आप कैलकुलेशन करके निकालेंगे. It is 13 into x is 156. If you add these, you will get 360. तो इस तरह हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 भी किया. आप क्वेश्चन कार्ड है जिसमें आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आप खुद देखेंगे. थैंक यू.